back to my channel, you guys. If you're new, hello, my name is Blanca Estela, and for now, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing and doing first impressions on I Love Revolution's Peachy Delight Mattifying Primer with vitamin C and E. So this one right here. I was on Ulta's website and I saw that they came up with the primer and it's a mattifying, so I wanted to try it out because it was pretty affordable. I forgot how much it was, but it was also on sale, so I got it for a really good price. I'm always on the lookout for a new good matte primer because I'm oily as fuck. So I'm gonna go ahead and try it out for the first time today and give you guys a review on what I think about it. So it is a matte primer, and the packaging doesn't say much, but we're gonna go ahead and try it out. So I already did my eye makeup. Actually already filmed the eye look for this, so that's why I'm gonna go up before this video. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and prime my face with this primer. It says Peachy Delight, but I don't know if it smells like peaches. It does not. But I'm gonna go ahead and apply some. So oh yeah, so this is it is a silicone primer, and I got way too much, dude. Oh my god. I'm gonna go ahead and apply this. I actually need some on my nose. It actually does smell like peaches now. It's pretty cool. Okay, so let's... So it is a silicone primer, so if you don't like silicone primers, you're not going to like this. But it doesn't feel as silicone-y as other silicone primers that I've tried, so that's a plus. And yeah, so I'm gonna rub it and then just push it into my skin. I'm actually gonna go on the website and read some stuff about this primer. Well, I let it sit for a little bit to make sure. So I did pay $8 for it. Oh no, that's how much it was. Oh no, that's how much it is right now. It says $8, but it was on sale when I bought it. I forgot how much I paid for it. Okay, so the Yummy Peach Delight Mattifying Primer is ideal for oilier skin to help beat the shine. Get your game face on with this saucy skin perfecting primer. Packed with vitamin C and E, this primer is designed to target specific skin concerns. And on Ulta's website, it does have 3 reviews, and they are all good reviews. One has 5 stars and the other 2 has 4 stars. On one of them it said that I really hope they smell like peaches, but I get a little whiff of it, but it's not something like really strong. But for foundation today, I'm going to be using my Revlon Candid Photo Ready Candid foundation. So this one right here. I'm just going to go ahead and put this on my face. Oh shit, I think I'm running out. Put this on my face. Not too much on my forehead because of the wig. Gonna make a big mess. I'm going to try a beauty sponge today. I've really been not using the brush lately to apply my foundation, but that's just me. Okay. So we're gonna go ahead and use a sponge. Just gonna go ahead and tap this in to see how application feels and how it looks. And then don't forget to bring down your foundation because so far so good. I do like the way my foundation is looking, but we'll see. I don't know why, but it always takes a while to apply the foundation on my nose right here on the sides. I have like texture there, And I have to pat it a couple of times like this to make sure that the foundation gets in there. And no matter what primer I use, well, some primers actually smooth it out and actually makes it easy to apply it there. And this is actually one of them. I didn't have to do so many pats to make sure it stayed in place. So that is a plus. Just going to go ahead and do my forehead real quick. I actually do like how my face is looking. Looks pretty nice. Okay. We're going to go ahead and apply the concealer. I did apply some underneath my eyes, so we'll see how that goes. If it's gonna crease or anything. The only primer I put under my eyes is the Tatcha one, because that actually helps to smooth out the concealer and stuff. But most of the time I only put concealer down there. Primer down there when I want to try out primer to see if it's gonna cake up or anything. So that's what we're gonna do today. And so that's what I did today. I did apply some primer down there. So we're gonna go ahead and apply my concealer. We're using my Shape Tape by Tarte in the shade Light. This is way too light for me, but I bought it and I have to use it. Go. So I only put a little bit. Okay, so I'm gonna get my sponge and just blend this out, okay? So the primer did smooth out my under eye, so it looks really, really good right now. But it's creasing, so I'm gonna set this real quick because then it's gonna become more messed up. It did smooth out my under eye, which I really, really like. So that is good to know. I'm going to go ahead and set. To set it, I'm going to be using my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder. This one right here. In the shade Light Medium. Go ahead and tap some on the cap. I always set my nose. And I'm just going to use my brush to set the rest of my face with the same powder. So I'm just going to go ahead and use what's on the cap first. And I'm going to wipe away the powder. You guys, my face looks so smooth. Oh my god. This looks so pretty. I love it. Okay, so put the powder away. So this is what it looks like right now. Everything looks pretty smooth. It didn't kick up or anything. So that is a plus. I'm going to go ahead and set my face real quick before I do the rest of my face makeup. And I'm going to be using my Glow Mist by Pixie. This one right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and spray my face. I did finish my whole makeup. And girl, my face looks beautiful. It looks really smooth. It is matte. I do like how it's not too matte, because when it is too matte, you can actually tell. After I set my face with the spray, it actually still looks matte. And after I set my face today, it didn't look like that at all. Right now, it is not cakey yet. My face looks smooth. I didn't fill in my pores. But then again, it didn't claim to be a pore minimizer. It was just a matte primer. So as of right now, it is pretty matte and I do like it. So from first impressions, I do recommend it. I will wear it for the rest of the day. It's almost 6 p.m. right now, but I will leave it on as long as I can. And then on the description box down below, I will put my final thoughts on what I thought of it after I had it on for a couple of hours. But yeah, as of right now, I do really like it and I do recommend it, and it's pretty affordable. So, you know, yeah. Thank you guys for watching. I do have a giveaway going on my Instagram right now. If you guys want to enter, go ahead and go into my Instagram. I am giving away a Conspiracy palette by Jeffree Star Cosmetics and Shane Dawson, along with other amazing products. So yeah, I'll put a picture on the screen somewhere. If you guys want to enter, go ahead and go to my Instagram. It does end on December 31st, and I will pick a winner on January 1st of 2020. Can you believe that shit? Oh my god. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, bye guys.